And next, to find the initial price of oregano nasal inhaler, next is yung P2. So gagamit tayo ng solution. P2 is equal to D1 plus A plus C1 minus P1. So P2 is equal to negative 100, which is ito na yung demand, and plus 200 is yung A, then yung 75% is yung C, and yung 81.25 is yung kanina na P1. So P2 is equal to negative 100 plus 200 plus 60.9375. So ang magiging P2 dito is the 160.9375. So next, analyzing competitor cost, prices, and offers. The customer tends to look for food that has a good kind of price, that cheap but has a very satisfied taste, a kind of food they can post on social media and gain 100 likes. Maraming customer ay karaniwang naghahanap ng pagkain na hindi lang mura kundi masarap din. Gusto nilang pumili ng mga pagkain na maaari nilang i-share sa social media at para ipagmalaki sa kanilang mga kaibigan. For example, na nagbebenta ng siomai, nag-set siya ng affordable price kaya naging popular ang kanilang product dahil masarap ito na nagbibigay ng customer satisfaction at saka affordable price. So next, auction type pricing. The objective is to give the right value to the production service. The formulated pricing strategy is having a markup value of 10% in the original price of the product or service. The 10% increase in the price of the product or service serve as a payment for the auctioneer and also for the paid advertisement of an auction, because in every auction there is a contract that said all of their terms and conditions together with the percent of an auctioneer in the sold product. Then also, by having an auction, it must have advertised for informing all of the people that there is an auction with the specific date or location. So for example, isang antique furniture cabinet which is last 2019, the cabinet is 70 years of existing. Tapos ang price ng cabinet na ito is 75,000. But when time goes by and decided to auction the cabinet in the year 2029, the price of the antique cabinet ay tataas ng 10%. The solution for that, first is kukunin natin yung 10% ng 75,000. So tatanggalin lang natin yung last number sa 75,000, which is yung 0. So magiging 7,500 na lang siya. So yan yung 10% niya, 7,500. Bale, i-add lang natin yung 75,000 pati i-add lang natin yung 75,000 pati yung 10%, which is 7,500. Bale, magiging 82,500. Yun yung magiging price ng cabinet. So next, BPTO or brand price trade-off. The economy pricing strategy produces a good quality of product by charging at a low price. The total price of tawa-tawa powder is 89 pesos and 1 gallon of water is 25 pesos, and the cost of the cup of 55 pesos, and brown sugar and white sugar cost 55 times 2 is equal to 110. The total product that produced is 40 cups. Between the two pricing strategies mentioned, penetration pricing would be the appropriate one to use since the brand is not that popular in the industry, so having a low price in the approved product, which is the lemongrass CR deodorizer, is the best pricing decision. The main purpose why it was the selected pricing strategy is because it can attract or capture a larger market, resulting in the business to gain profit and to be success as a new entrant in the industry. The competitor of the lemongrass CR deodorizer is the Albatross bathroom deodorizer in 100 grams, having a price of 52 pesos. So penetration pricing would be used. The selling price of it would be 20 pesos. Indeed, it shows the price difference between the two results for the approved product to be known in the industry with its pricing strategy. So next, bonus pack. Some retail store offer promos for their product in formulating pricing strategy. Maraming retail store na nag-create ng promotional offers for their product para mas ma-encourage yung mga customers and ma-boost their sales. Itong offer na ito minsan include na dito yung discounts, bundle deals, or added bonuses such as fees, items, or rewards. So for example, buy 4 get 1 free for the price of 200 with an amount of 50 grams, and buy the product for the original price is 194 and get a second purchase for 50 pesos. So next, brand differentiation strategy. The price charge on a product or service is one of the most important business decisions to make. Setting a price that is too high or too low will at the best limit to business growth. At worst, it could cause serious problems in sales and cash flow. Ang pag-set ng good price for a product or service ay isa sa pinakamahalagang decision na gawin ng isang business. If the price is too high, customer may discourage from buying, while price is too low, could reduce profit and devalue the product. Both scenarios can hinder the growth of the business. In the worst case scenario, improper pricing can lead to a significant problem such as declining sales and disrupt cash flow, ultimately threatening the sustainability of the business. So for example, Starbucks adopt a differentiation strategy by focusing on product uniqueness and customer needs. Through innovation, it offers high quality coffee and elegant taste and a premium experience. The company emphasizes store design, pleasant environment, and exceptional service, allowing it to charge premium prices rather than engaging in price wars. Its strategy centers on quality, natural taste, and an overall experience. So last, break-even sales. The given SRP has no change in increase the price because it is already known to the public. Generally, price fixing has been part of the consumer buyer's perception. Price fixing plays a significant role in shaping customer perception. Once a price is established and known, buyers tend to view it as the fair or understand cost, making any attempts to increase the price more challenging without potentially affecting consumer trust or demand. So for example, in the summer season, the shampoo has a high demand for those people who want to keep their hair fresh and clean. So first is sa shampoo A, ang SRP niya is 6 pesos and per dozen 12 pieces is 56 pesos, and promo per dozen is 56 pesos plus free sachet, and sa seasonal promo per dozen 60 pesos plus 3 free sachet. And the second is sa shampoo B, ang SRP niya is 6 pesos, per dozen is 12 pieces is 62 pesos, and promo per dozen is 62 pesos plus 2 free sachet. And sa seasonal promo per dozen is 62 pesos plus 1 free sachet plus 1 promo shirt.